guys, and welcome to a gratitude class for Thanksgiving 2021. Let's get started. As you can see, Sabrina is here demoing for us. We are going to come into child's pose. If you have blankets or blocks or any props, please feel free to use them. This is your chance to get out of your head and in to your body. Let's breathe. Take a moment to thank yourself for showing up, for being here, for carving out the time. Big inhale through your nose. And when I say big, fill up your belly. Just enough to where it doesn't protrude, but you just get that nice belly out and belly in. Don't worry about when you breathe, just breathe. Take a big, deep breath in through your nose. Exhale through your nose. Breathe. Get out of your head and into your body. Make sure you're listening to your body at all times. And please use the modifications and skip anything that does not feel right. This is safe for both pre and postnatal. When you're ready, come into some back body breathing. Sabrina will show you by coming onto her knees. She's going to grab her hands by her rib cage and just show you where you want to breathe right here. And then sink slowly down back into child's pose and find that breath right in child's pose. Even if you have a belly that's growing a human. Take a big deep breath. Slow, controlled. Let the belly expand to your thighs and then zip up your core. Inhale. And exhale through your nose. Breathe. When you're ready, come to cat-cow. Tuck your toes under if that feels good for you, or untuck your toes. Also, you can come to wrists, fists with your wrists if you have any wrist issues. And then slowly cat-cow. And as you will see, Sabrina's really going to listen to her body. She is not in pre or postnatal, so she might be doing more advanced things than you might be able to do. Or she will also be showing you modifications. So listen to your body and start to roll out. Big circles to the left, big circles to the right. Get out of your head and into your body. Breathe. Maybe shift back and forth. Just give yourself a little time to shift into these big circles. Well, I've been loving you for such a long time. Expecting nothing in return. And when you're ready, we're going to come to hands and knees. You can also put your hands on your blocks if that feels good for you. And we're going to do, if you have any like lengthening issues in your arms and in your feet and if you have one leg longer than the other, one arm longer than the other, some of us have that. You can use your blocks to kind of help you. This time you're going to take a big belly breath. So you're going to see Sabrina's belly expand. And then she's gonna pull it in. Show us your pelvic floor where she's zipping it up from. Beautiful. Big little breath here. Just let the balloon open and then close. Imagine that upside down umbrella. Little breath. Pull it in. Little breath. Pull it in. Beautiful. Feel that core really engaged. It's a beautiful exercise to get ready for childbirth. And a beautiful way to get those Kegels moving in the right direction. Last one. When you're ready, move on to your elbows. If this is a modification for you that works, awesome. You're going to tuck your toes under, come up, lift your knees, tap down. That's called a Beast Core hover from your elbows. Coming onto your hands is a little bit more of a harder modification. And you're going to do that same thing in tabletop with your hands directly underneath you. So you can come to tabletop Do that exact same thing. Beautiful. So we are going to do 10. Sabrina's going to choose for modification in 5, 4, 3, 2. Here we go. 1.
These days I know it
and release.
Gets
2.
hard, we can
and release. 3.
So much
and release. 4. and release. 5.
Trust me when I say
and release. 6. and release. 7.
So if your world
8.
gets heavy and your fire
9.
burns low, your road
10.
gets rough and your
Beautiful.
heart
Release.
runs
Take the
cold.
left hand underneath your
Just
chest.
let it breathe
Reach your
the
right
wind
arm
through the
up.
trees,
Feel
let
a
it
nice
flow with
T-spine
ease.
opener.
Emotion breeze,
Come
take it
into
all
threading the
in.
needle. Hold for 1,000 here.
And let it all out.
Take your right hand. Left hand comes high. Inhale, exhale, thread the needle. Find and your bind on the other side. We're going to do this for 1 minute. So now you know the routine. Find your pace. Here we go. Thread the needle on your left or your right. Find space between your lungs and your diaphragm. Breathe.
Trust me now when I say
Find space between your hips
but no matter what
and your
this life at
thighs.
times will break you apart. So if your world gets heavy and your fire burns low,
30 more
your
seconds.
road gets rough and your heart runs cold, just let it breathe like the wind through the trees, let it flow with ease.
Last one on each side. Sabrina's going to do one more. If you want to keep continuing this exercise, feel free to pause the video and continue. We're going to move on to kneeling opposites. If you need more cushion underneath your knees, you can always roll up your mat and have more cushion underneath your knees. Sabrina's going to come right into right elbow, left knee, reaching her arm into a T position, driving her leg back, keeping her hips stable. Come back to center. Left elbow, right knee, driving it to a T position, keeping stability here with your core, and switch. 30 seconds. This is a lot of proprioception, so balance, stability, and core work, as well as a little bit of glute. Beautiful. Keep moving and controlling your heart rate with breathing through your nose. If I haven't mentioned that enough, inhale and exhale through your nose. Breathe. Trying to get those hips to be level. Last one on each side. Beautiful. Coming into child's pose with a moving plank. We're moving on. Take a big deep breath. Come right into child's pose on your knees. To demo that, Sabrina's going to come to her elbows too. So giving you a chance for those modifications. If you are having any diastasis, please skip this exercise. If you are having any rib cage flare, please skip this exercise. Coming into moving planks, and make sure to check in with a PT. Breathe. Planks are very difficult when done correctly. Choose your breath here. Inhale and exhale through your nose. Breathe.
Gonna keep you out of town tonight.
Big, deep breaths in through your nose. Long breaths out through your nose.
Not gonna be out of my sight.
You're going for about 10 more seconds here. If you want to advance this, you can just hold in plank. You want to advance this, you can just hold in plank. Breathe for 5, 4, 3, 2, and recover. Slowly come into downward facing dog. If you have this in your practice, you can use the mat. Sabrina is going to demo on the mat and then show us what it looks like on a wall. Take deep breaths here. Inhale and exhale. She's going to show you what it looks like on a wall now. So be gentle with yourself. Your feet are directly underneath your hips. Your feet Your hands are directly onto the wall. You're pressing into the wall, taking a big belly breath, and then letting everything
Everywhere
go.
on earth you go, you're gonna have me as your man.
Coming into 3 sun sows, stepping back onto the middle of your mat. You're going to take a big, or the front of your mat, you're going to take a big breath with hands to heart center. Thank yourself again for being here. Take your thumbs, wrap them together, press them above your head for a micro bend in the back. Your thumbs, and then open up big arms. Fold, micro bend in your knees, tap your toes, halfway lift, take a breath. Inhale, exhale, fold. Again, listen to your body, rise. She's going to show you a modified version of this. If you have a belly if you have a human in your belly, hands to heart center. Rise, wrap the thumbs, micro bend in your back, and just a mini flow here. Hands to your sides.
Everywhere on earth you go, you're gonna have me as your man.
Knees, more, just a little bit more. There we go, Sabrina. And then halfway lift. And again, as you can see, since she has no belly from pregnancy, she is able to really fold there. Hands to heart center. Last one together. Inhale and exhale through your nose. Breathe. Rise. Folds. Halfway lift. Feeling the pace change. Forward folds. Rise. Here we go. Step your right leg back using your blocks if you have them. Sabrina's going to grab them by her side. Right leg back, grab your blocks. Good. She's choosing her left leg, so she's going to come forward and forward fold. Take a big deep breath. Warrior 1. Warrior 2. Wrap it around. Inhale, exhale, reverse your warrior. Fold, elbow to knee. Wrap the arm above the head. Either look straight at the ground for neck support or straight up to the sky. The arm, big circle. Inhale. Exhale, 3 big circles. And then reverse, 3 big circles. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, exhale, reverse. One more time. Exhale, forward fold. Walk your hands to the other side. Forward fold. Rise, warrior 2. Inhale, expand the fingertips. Exhale, reverse. Forward fold, side angle. Here we go. 3 big circles, your own pace, and reverse. Last one. And slowly forward fold. Come back to center, right into the front of your mat. Bend your knees side to side. Bend your knees side to side. Just breathe here. Breathe. Come right back down to the mat. We're gonna come into a little Energizer butt kick. Left leg butt kick. Step forward with your left leg, runner's lunge. Take a breath. Step back. Right leg butt kick. Hips down, level, step forward with the right leg, runner's lunge. Modification here is just come to hands to knees. So alternating for about 10 seconds here as the pace changes again.
And now I'm back to let you know.
Beautiful.
I can really shake them.
Make sure those hips stay down. One more on each side. Step forward, runner's lunge, hands to the inside if that feels good for you as the pace changes. Beautiful. Last one. Got a lot to get through to get that heart rate up. And child's pose. Right after you finish each side. Take a big breath. As you hear the pace has changed, we're gonna stand up and we're gonna dance. And yes, if you listen to the music, it talks a little bit about mashed potatoes, right? Something that some people are really grateful for. We're coming right into Ice Skaters as Sabrina is leading us. And she's gonna show you modified, slow, 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 slow. We're gonna go for 30 seconds in 5, in 4. You choose your pace. Let's go. Pick it up. Challenge you with a little dance break. Watch me now. Here we go.
Watch me now.
I want you to feel the beat. Bring it back to the 60s whenever this song was produced. I have no clue. I'm an 80s baby. Here we go. In 3, 2, break it down. Ice skaters. Pick it up. Get the whole family involved. Get the kids involved. Here we go. Breathe through your nose. Last breakdown in 5, 4, 3. Turn the music up in 2, 1. Break it down. Come on. Maybe shake your bum bum. 10 seconds. Everything you got. 5, 4, 3, 2. Come down to the mat for a moving plank. Last time. Child's pose. For 3, 2, high plank. Here we go. Find that pace. Child's pose, high plank. Last time. Child's pose, high plank for 5 more seconds as the pace changes. Take a break. In 3, in 2, we're gonna slow it down dramatically. In 1, find child's pose. And remember, showing up is half the battle and you're here. You are on your mat. So thank you for joining us. As we remember to fill our own cups, so that we can fill others. Come into Shavasana if it feels good for your practice. If you are pregnant, I recommend staying in child's pose where Sabrina's gonna stay. Also, you can grab a block in front of you and place it and hug it. And we're gonna spend 1 minute. Spending this minute, if you need all of it, if you need to fill your cup this morning, or this afternoon, or whenever you're doing this, fill it up. But if you have space to think of one person in your life that you can send gratitude and love to, take this time. Send them that gratitude, send them that love, thank them. Maybe it's someone who's alive, maybe it's someone who's no longer with us. Be here on this mat. The willingness to show up changes us. It makes us a little braver each time. Breathe. But time makes you older, even children get older. The willingness to show up changes us. It makes us a little braver each time. Wonderful job. Take my love, take it down. Thank you again for being here, for spending and carving out the time on this wonderful gratitude class as we embark into another year. Have a wonderful rest of your day.